how to make yourself a brand on social media. That's what you want to know about. So I've got 5 steps to make you a brand on social media on today's Inside BS show. This is the show that takes you inside business strategy. My name is Dave Lorenzo, and today we're talking about how to make yourself a brand on social media. I've got the 5 steps to make yourself a brand on social media, and then I've got an extra step, a bonus step for you that you don't want to miss. That's the 6th step. You got to stay with me to the end of the show to get the bonus step that's going to make all the difference in the world to you. Thanks for joining me. Let's get into the 5 steps to make yourself a brand on social media right now. Step number 1, become famous in a market niche or in your local geography. So what does this mean? I use the word niche. Fancy people use the word niche, but becoming famous is what we're talking about. That means you have to saturate the social media market with educational information every single day. I can use myself as an example. Look what I'm doing here on YouTube. Every day I make a new educational video that helps you with sales, with marketing, with business development, with origination, if you're an attorney or a CPA, how to get new clients. My focus is on growing your revenue using relationship-based consultative selling process, and I help you do that every single day here on YouTube with a new video. You've got to do the same thing. Pick a segment of your market. Now, it can be a specific audience, like I started out in 2008 with lawyers, or you can pick a specific area of focus or expertise, like I do sales and marketing right now. When you dominate a niche, everybody will be talking about you. So if you're the person that helps tow truck drivers get more clients for a tow truck operation, then you become famous to all tow truck drivers in the United States and you dominate that market niche. That's step 1 to making yourself a brand. So offer to deliver your educational content on the social media sites for your market niche. So if you're targeting CPAs, find a Facebook page or a Facebook group that's dedicated to CPAs and deliver relevant content to that group every single day. If you're targeting coaches, find a coaching organization and offer to deliver educational content to that coaching organization every single day. Your goal is to become famous to 100 people and not to try and overwhelm yourself by becoming famous to 20,000 people. Dominate a narrow niche market first and then expand out from there. Go to social media and focus on your target industry or focus on a specific subject matter and then go across all social media platforms dominating that area. Use Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn, everywhere dominating that specific area, and make sure you're known as the person who delivers great value to those people. Step number 2 is educational videos. I love video. You know I love video because I'm here every day helping you become even more successful. If you want to do the same thing, you can. You can do video here on YouTube. You can do video on TikTok. You can do video on Instagram. You can do video on Facebook. You can do video on LinkedIn. Dominate your industry niche with video. Why? Because it's the fastest way to develop a relationship with a lot of people. You can develop relationships with people in mass if you speak in front of them in terms of getting in front of an audience, but that's hard. That requires a lot of work. You can dominate social media video using just your phone. I use sophisticated equipment, but I started out with a phone. I used a flip cam for a while. I used basic technology to get the word out that I knew what I was talking about. You need to do the same thing. Start making educational videos right now. Step number 3, stick to similar topics. You'll notice here on YouTube, I make videos that help professional service providers, people in service businesses, develop consultative sales strategies. We focus on relationships and growing relationships. We use sales and marketing to develop those relationships. My focus is on professionals and it's on relationship-based sales or consultative sales. I stick to those topics over and over and over again. Scrolling through my YouTube channel, you'll notice month after month, I'm talking about growing relationships, deepening relationships, building relationships, and using systems and processes to leverage yourself to reach more people when you do that. That's the market I stick to. You don't hear me talking about how to target sports teams. You don't hear me talking about how to target people who sell baskets to gift companies. I focus on professional services, helping them grow their business through relationship-based business development strategies, and that's the area I focus on. You've got to do the same thing. You want to build a brand on social media? When you're on Facebook, stick to one area of expertise. Leverage that same area of expertise on Instagram, on LinkedIn, on TikTok. Be known as the person who's the expert in the specific area across all social media platforms. That's the key to success. Stick to what you know to start, and then as you're successful, expand out from there. Step number 4, collaborate. This is something I wish I had done more of when I started my business and I started out on my career. Offer value to people who target the same audience that you target. So if there's somebody that's in a different industry that targets the same clients that you're trying to reach, offer to do a video with them and shoot the video together with them. Leverage your skills as a collaborator to reach their audience while they get to reach your audience. Collaborations are fantastic ways to cross-market and to deepen your relationships. Step number 5, interview people who are famous in that niche. If you want to really explode, you need to go out and target the giants of your industry. Who's the LeBron James of the industry you're targeting? You need to speak to that person, interview them on camera, share their wisdom with your audience. Why do you want to do that? Because that person's credibility will pass to you because they agreed to come on your show. They agreed to appear with you. They agreed to be next to you in a video. Interviewing people who are famous in your niche is a great way to demonstrate that you're an expert because these people have agreed to accept an interview request from you. All right, so those are the 5 ways. You can see them right here. Those are the 5 ways to build a brand on social media. Now I'm going to share with you the 6th way, and this is the key to success that you've been looking for. The 6th way and the key to success is to set up a system that delivers leads to your doorstep. You're busy. You're going to go out and you're going to target a large group of people. You don't have time to go out and then connect with each one of those people individually. So you have to have a system that allows you to connect with them and then pulls them in and continues the process of nurturing them until they're ready to work with you. You can wait 20 or 30 years and leverage your experience, your skills, and your knowledge through trial and error and develop your own system. Or you can take mine. I'm going to give it to you right now for free. That's right, I'm giving you the key to success for free. All you've got to do is go to this website, revenueroadmapguide.com, revenueroadmapguide.com. Go to that website. When you go there, you'll be able to enter your contact information and immediately download my system, my revenue roadmap, that will deliver leads right to your doorstep. If you want to build a big brand on social media, you got to get this system. It is easier than falling out of a boat and hitting the water. All you've got to do is download that system now. There's some questions at the end of the Revenue Roadmap Guide. Answer those questions, and you can customize this system for whatever business you have, and you'll dominate. You'll build a huge brand on social media. If you want another way to build a huge brand on social media, all you need to do is watch the next video that you see right below me. There's a video right down there. This is a whole series on how to build a brand, and I want you to build a great brand. Just watch this next video right below me right now.